Hi, hello, namaskara, welcome to Deals Guru. Today I'm going to shoot one of the most favorite subject of mine. It's 9 to 5 job versus business. When I was in my school, my father told, get your degree and go for a job. But when I was in my college, I got a mentor and he told, job is completely a trap. It will take most of your time. You can't enjoy rest of your life. I'm still confused. So let's go to the people of our locality and check out which one they do prefer and why. It's time for it. ಈಗ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಬು ಇಷ್ಟು 63 ವರ್ಷ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರ, ಕೂಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಜಾಬು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತಾ? ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಿತ್ತಾ?
இல்லை சாமி, பிஸ்னஸ் பற்றி நம்மளுக்கு எதுவும் தெரியல. அப்பிலேருந்தே கூலி வேலை பண்ணி பண்ணி பழக்கம் ஆயிடுச்சு. பிஸ்னஸ் பற்றி நம்மளுக்கு எதுவும் தெரியாது. அதனால் அது பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஆகிறதில்ல. அது எதுனா லாஸ் ஆனாக்கா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறதுக்கு ஆகுது? நம்ம டெய்லி கூலி ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது.
Oh, innocence. Thank you. मैडम जी, इतना एज में वो एज में परेशान करके आपका खुद का एक दुकान आप चल रहा है, कैसा क्या बोल?
तो हमारी परेशानी है, ना मर्द है ना बच्चे हैं ना कौन भी नहीं है, सिर्फ का सिवा अल्लाह है. वो बिजनेस कर ले को, जो पेट का खा ले को, बच्चों को पाल ले को जाके. एक बेवा बहू है, वो बहू से वो बच्ची के वास्ते मेरी जिंदगी करने.
ठीक है, अभी एक बात बताता हूँ मैम. अभी जॉब को जाने वाले लोग और बिजनेस करने वाले लोग, क्या डिफरेंस क्या है?
उसमें उनका दिमाग ही और है, हमारा दिमाग और है. हमारा बचपन से भी हमें कुली मजदूरी कर को खा ले को जिंदगी करे. हस्बैंड थे, हस्बैंड गुजर गए.
ठीक है मैम, वो छोड़ो मैम. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अभी जॉब करते हैं लोग, जाके काम करते हैं, काम करने को
उनकी भी मजबूरी है. गाँव छोड़ को गाँव से आ रही. देखो 300 रुपए के वास्ते उड़ीसा, कलकत्ता, पूना, दिल्ली, बॉम्बे वो छोड़ के जोरू बच्चों को छोड़ के उन्होंने आपको यहाँ की कुली कर रही. हमें क्या करी? हमें ये गाँव वाले हमें पैदा हुए, हमें बड़े हुए, हमारे बच्चे बड़े हुए.
कैसा बिजनेस कैसा चल रहा है?
हमारा जरा थोड़ा कमी है. पहले अच्छा चलता था, अभी 1000 के अंदर 1500 के अंदर.
आप ही है ना? आप ही. थैंक यू भाई. एक बात करो यार.
मैं बंगाल का हूँ.
बंगाल के? क्यों? उधर काम उतना नहीं मिलता है?
उतना रेट कम है उधर.
प्राइस
हाँ, पैसा उधर कम है, इधर थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. उधर दिन में 300 रुपये देते हैं, इधर 700 रुपये मिलता है. तो उधर तो फिर फायदा नहीं कुछ.
कैसा काम कैसा है? आप ही है?
हाँ,
लोन नहीं दे रही, खर्च कौन भी दे रही नहीं है ना. हमारी रोजी हमें कमा को कर.
बिजनेस करने का हम लोग का जगह नहीं है वैसा. और आदमी वो ग्राम में जगह नहीं है, या बिजनेस करने का कोई फायदा भी नहीं है. बिजनेस करके क्या फायदा उधर? ऐसे कमा लेगा तो ठीक है.
आपको इंटरेस्ट है बिजनेस करने के लिए?
इंटरेस्ट नहीं है मेरा.
आप
बस ऐसे ही.
Yeah, I prefer business.
वही.
Yeah, we can independent and we can do no shift there. We can independent. We can work anytime. It's our own money involved. So I can.
Amazing. What's your opinion on this?
My opinion is also on the business side, because
Why business?
business we can make more money and we should survive more, but it's more independent, I guess.
Okay. At the same time, right now, where are you working?
Working in 9 to 5 job.
Are you happy? What's your opinion on this, madam? By the way?
Yeah, I'm happy with my 9 to 5 job.
Yaba.
Because
Don't you want financial freedom?
yeah, I'm financially freedom also. I don't think so. Like business I can start, it's not a big deal, but what I prefer is if I'm going to corporate means I'll give my 100% to corporate.
If you start a business, how can you start?
Yeah, like start a business means it required some strategy and all. We can't go and
Just brief me. Give me some idea, because I wanted to start business.
You can put any kind of business in front of campus, like because
So you're telling that go and sell mangoes in street.
no, not like mangoes. If you have a big strategy, means you can go for some hotels kind of thing.
Hotel.
Yeah, you can start that.
Nice idea.
Yeah.
Something more and better.
I
Because I think you have many more ideas.
I
Which can
think
be helpful for other people.
like chai, coffee,
Okay.
cigarette. Oh my gosh! That will be more.
So what's your comment, man? What business do you want to prefer?
Like fruits.
Food industry.
Food industry.
Okay.
Food industry will all time kick.
Thank you. Wonderful. Today we are here in IT campus, just interrogating with some of the 9 to 5 employees and take their feedbacks. So what I felt after like half an hour of walk through this campus, not majorly people are interested to come confidently and say out their comments, and at the same time people are they are in urge to go back to their home. It's like making me to recall Pushpa 2 movie, like pack the people in one truck and take them to home, back to office. Oh my God. So yes sir, so do you prefer 9 to 5 job or business?
बिजनेस
Why?
बिकॉज ऑफ फ्रीडम, पूरा फ्रीडम मिलता है। और जॉब में गए तो 100 आदमी 100 बातें सुनाता है, फिर उसी टेंशन में वो काम भी सही से नहीं कर पाता। उससे अच्छा ये बिजनेस करना अच्छी बात है।
So business is the best.
बेस्ट
Thank you. 9 to 5 job versus business.
Both are the same
How do you say both are same?
because for 9 hours you have to work for years with bit of sacrifice, but for a business you have to sacrifice everything and you don't have holidays.
But I don't think so it will be for long term in business.
No, if you have a strategy you can do it.
Yeah,
If you have a strategy you can do it.
obviously. But in job obviously you have to work till end, right?
100%. That is a commitment of a life for either a female or a male. It is a commitment. It is because when we study, that is the base. Next level is next. We have to go for a job. So either you have to go for a business or go for a job.
Those are the two options left.
Nothing else. Otherwise, you have to start robbing the banks. That's all is there.
So personally, what do you prefer, sir? Business or?
See, I prefer both, but for a business, not affordable to.
But somewhere I feel in job you will be surrender. It's like a trap. You have to be in the bone for very long period of time. Like you will not get time to travel, fun with your family. What do you say on that?
Thing like that. See, compared to business, if you work in a job, you have much opportunity. And see, it's not a trap. It is a kind of how you love the job. If you love your job, absolutely you will. Otherwise, if you are not, if you start going behind someone bucketing, absolutely you have been trapped.
So business, what is the final?
Business, if you have a backup, you can start it.
I'm coming from Gurgaon.
Oh, Gurgaon, Delhi. That's amazing, man. You will be having wonderful startup stories then.
No, not really, because I'm more into government jobs. I'll be joining the Indian Army soon.
Oh, that's amazing.
So,
But still, you will be having you're going to be a soldier. So definitely, you will be having one thought about job and business. So whatever your opinion on this part.
job versus business. I think business has an upper hand because you see, you're the sole person there. Yeah, you're the decision maker. You're the one with the reins. While in jobs, you're just working for someone else, putting all your efforts for someone else, while someone else takes the profits and everything.
Fact. That is the fact.
Right. And I would say people are much more happy in business than jobs, provided their business does well. Yeah, that's my take.
Amazing, bro. Congrats.
I'd say business, honestly, because you're your own boss. Everything goes to you. It's all your effort. So I would say business.
Freedom. You have more
Yeah.
freedom when you are, you're accountable of everything. So yeah. 9 to 5 can be very pressurizing. Yeah.
You're working under someone, so it's pretty strenuous. I mean, you're supposed to condone to whatever they say, their rules. But if it's your own business, it's your own, I don't know, commitments. Or
So what do you wanted to do?
probably business, I don't know.
Okay. So that's amazing. Great feedback. Thank you. Yeah, bro. I never expected that we meet today here. Bro, today we are shooting a content. 9 to 5 job versus business. You being a creative fellow, obviously you will be having different perspective towards it. So what's your comment on this, bro?
ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಮುಂಚೆ 9 to 5 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದವನು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಐ ಚೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗಂಧಗಾಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಗುಡ್.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡೇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್.
ದೇವರನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸೇ ಬೆಸ್ಟು ಅಂತೀರಾ?
ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್. ಯಾರ ಕೈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೂ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಏನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ನಂದೇ ಆದಾಗ ನಂದು ಬಾಲನೆ ಸುಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಶಿಸ್ತು ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು.
ಅದು ಮಜಾ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬನಿಗೆ ಯಾವನಿಗೋ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಸೂಪರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಸವರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ರಿವಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಬ್ರೋ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿ, ಬೆಳೀಲಿ. Obviously in career we will be having left with two options. One is either job or business. So which one do you prefer and why?
I choose job because if you compare Bangalore life, so morning 8 o'clock and log off at 6 o'clock, go home and spend time with family is good. And so of course after 20 years I may feel that I should do business, but after 20 years I could have settled in business, but time is passed away.
Okay.
So I can't do anything.
That was your dreamt once upon a time.
Yeah, once upon a time. I think everyone is Bangalore, the guys who are working with IT industry, everyone dreams are same.
Wanted to do business.
Yes, of course, that's correct. But even I guess for you also, but things will not happen like that because of this package lifestyle. What we get in the beginning stage, we enjoyed a lot, but now we are suffering.
So now you are happy with your 9 to 5 job, sir?
Yeah, I'm not happy, but I should accept I'm happy.
What's your comment, sir?
No.
Are you happy with your 9 to 5 job?
No, I'm not happy. Actually, my dream is I need to be a businessman, but due to some family issues, due to money, so I came here. Actually, I'm from Hubli. I came to Bangalore for job, but I love to do business, but due to money, I'm doing job.
Sir, do you think we need money initially? Do you think that is the primary to start a business? Is that the primary thing?
Exactly, we need at least little money we need to start our business. So that was the problem with me. So I came to Bangalore. Now I spend 12 to 14 years here. So I settled here.
Okay.
Business, it is very tough.
Naturally.
Day to day, if you take it, it is very tough. But once you get used to that,
It will be like addiction. Making money.
Yeah.
So job, somewhere I feel, sir, in job, our life will be reserved for one certain things. We can't explore the world. What's your opinion on that?
Your opinion is correct. When if you are an adventure person, naturally when you go out, you have got lot of opportunities. Otherwise you won't.
So do you prefer doing good business, building empire?
See, I am a chartered accountant. I have done this building. You can imagine. That's all.
Yeah. Cool, sir. So are you happy with your
Yeah. I'm 72.
Wow.
So naturally, I'm happy. Now I'm retired. Sitting here.
Super, so thank you. So my question is 9 to 5 job versus business. Which one do you prefer and why?
So it depends on multiple factors. Currently, I prefer the 9 to 5 job.
Okay.
Mostly because there are so many things that I need to learn, I need to implement to start a business, and of course, the end game would be business only. So the thing is, 9 to 5 is not bad. It provides multiple things for you. For example, the convenience, the timely money that you need, whatever, and
Temporary comfort, you're saying.
it's comfort, not temporary comfort. It can be sustained throughout your life.
Yeah.
Not like that, but for somebody who needs
Business
to,
is your option, right?
yeah, because I want to work under somebody, learn from them, learn from their expertise, learn from
So basically,
the knowledge
make
that
your
they have.
foundation strong before jump into any business, you're saying.
Yeah, that it can be put like that.
Okay.
But also, it's not a bad thing to work in a 9 to 5 job. It is a wonderful thing. There are so many things that it provides you with.
True.
So
I do agree with you.
the 9 to 5 is a good option for those who want convenience, who doesn't want hustle and risk-free life. It's a very nice life.
But somewhere I feel it will heat off like a majority of our timeline in our life.
Yeah, it depends. If you are somebody who likes to live a slow life and enjoy everything that the life has to offer, and 9 to 5 is something that you can opt for. And for example, if you want to do a business, you need to be there throughout the day and
You have to focus.
yeah, that is also a good thing. If you are aspirational, if you are somebody who wants to create something of your own, that's your best option. And if you are somebody who wants to live a slow life, enjoy, that's a good option. But everybody should try to work in a business.
So to conclude, what do you finally?
So it depends on the person. It depends on what the person feels and what their ambitions and choices are. So it's both are totally fine, absolutely fine. Depends on what they
Very
like.
balanced
Yeah.
knowledge that you have given. Thank you very much. आप क्यों जॉब को नहीं जाते? आपका खुद का
हम पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है भैया. हम बिजनेस अपना करता है, 500-600 कमाता है, उसमें खुश है. जॉब को गया तो क्या क्या काम कराएगा पता नहीं, इसीलिए अपने ही काम बढ़िया है.
आपका हैप्पी, आप खुश है?
खुश है. हाँ,
आप क्या कमाते हैं उसको?
खुश है. कोई टाइमिंग नहीं है, कभी भी आ सकता है, कभी भी जा सकता है.
So finally, this is what is all about for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the feedback that we get from different varieties of various people. If you ask me, if you have nothing, if you wanted to start it from nothing scratch, prefer go for job, gain knowledge, understand the things. If you give me two options, I always choose doing business, because I have seen the insight, the depth, happiness, the challenges and the risks. I'm enjoying each and everything, and I'm into business. Obviously, I would recommend to do business end of the day. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys like this video and if you guys want us to do more of such contents, give us your feedback in comment. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch up in our next in different location. Till then, bye bye.